A WordPress theme is a pre-designed layout that can be applied to a WordPress website. Themes may be offered for sale or distributed freely by designers in such a way as to meet the GPL license. With hundreds of options available, finding one that is perfect for your project has never been easier. There are many different types of themes, including responsive design, SEO optimized, and more. WordPress is a free, open-source blogging platform and content management system. It was first released in 2003, and it has more than 60 million websites around the world. WordPress is very flexible, and it offers a variety of templates to choose from. It's also easy to customize, which means that you can create your unique blog with just a few clicks of your mouse. Bloggers love using WordPress because they can monetize their blogs by selling advertising space or affiliate products on their websites. Alternatively, they can get sponsored by big brands who are looking for exposure on popular blogs. This section will explore the benefits of using WordPress and some of the features that make it an excellent choice for design-conscious bloggers around the world. WordPress is the most popular blogging platform in the world. The reason for its popularity is that it offers a plethora of features and tools that make it easy to design your blog just the way you want. Benefits: WordPress offers free, open-source code that can be customized to suit your needs. With WordPress, you have access to an infinite number of themes and plugins too. This article provides a step-by-step process to help you install a new WordPress theme on your website. To customize your WordPress blog, you must first understand the basics of what a theme is. There are many different themes available with other features and styles, but before installing any of them, you need to have administrative rights to the installation. The WordPress blog theme is what the outside of your blog looks like. Themes are created by WordPress or other companies and can be tweaked using either a code editor or simply by uploading a new background image or changing the font. Themes are responsible for what your blog looks like on both the front and back end, from colors to fonts to layout. There are many different themes available, and each theme is designed with a specific purpose in mind. With the use of a new WordPress theme, you can create a website that is eye-catching and professional. There are many types of websites that you can create with a new WordPress theme. These include brochure sites, online stores, and even personal blogs. Blogs have been around for decades and have become a staple of the internet. In recent years, blogs have gained popularity with their easy-to-use interface, providing an outlet for anyone to share their thoughts with the world. Anyone can create a blog with WordPress themes in just minutes and start blogging immediately. Themes are available for different types of blogs. You can find themes that are related to a particular topic, such as politics or fashion. There are many benefits to using themes in your blogging platform. First, installing a theme is less time-consuming than starting with a blank page and building up your site's content. Second, you can change the theme at any time without having to rebuild the site from scratch. Choosing the perfect WordPress theme for your business can make a big difference in how it performs online. Here are 3 considerations to help you find the best WordPress theme for your business.